Before I start, y'all, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and that thumbs up so you know every time I post or do you know any of that good stuff. Ow. But look at what's popping with the population. Yesterday, when I say there was no snow, all the snow had melted, y'all. And now look, once again, the schools are closed. Mostly all the schools are closed. And we have all of this snow. And yes, I have to use a broom because I'm too short to use the thing to clean the car off. But, y'all, this is crazy. I had the shovel already. Now I gotta clean my truck off and move it. Look what the plow people did. Them you know what?